To hide photos and videos in Google Pixel 11, first of all, you will need to open Settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until you find Security and Privacy, and then we can scroll down until we see Private Space. If you click on it for the first time, you will need to perform setup for private space. I've made a dedicated video on how to do it, so if you're interested, you can watch it. If you also need help, just go and take a look. Then your private space should be set up. And now when it's done, we can go back to the home screen and perform a swipe up to open App Drawer, and we can then scroll down to our private space. Normally it should be locked, then you can unlock it with the password that you've chosen. And now we can click on the Add button and add whichever photos we want to hide. So let's add those 3 right there. Select them, and we need to move them. Do not click on copy, otherwise they will remain where they are, and they will be simply copied into your private space. So those photos are gone from my photos. I'm just gonna look for the Photos app and then briefly open it. So those photos are gone. There's different photos from my other devices, but those 3 that I've moved are gone from the photos. Instead, we'll have them in our private space. So if we move down and open photos right here, we should be able to see only photos that we've moved to our private space. I've moved other files previously, and here we have those photos that I've moved. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.